In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage Wix AI site chat on your website easily and effectively. Whether you want to engage with visitors in real time, improve customer support, or simply make your site more interactive and professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Wix dashboard and go to the app market. Once you're there, look for the option that allows you to browse and add apps to your site. This step is important because the Wix AI site chat app must be added before you can start using any of its features, so make sure to follow along carefully. Next, open your site editor and click on the Add Apps option on the left-hand side. In the search bar, type Wix AI site chat and select the app when it appears in the results. Click Add to Site, and Wix will automatically integrate the AI chat feature into your website, allowing visitors to interact with your site through an AI-powered chat experience. Just remember, Wix AI site chat does not work alongside Wix chat, so if Wix chat is enabled, you'll need to disable it first. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure Wix chat is turned off, check that you're editing the correct site, and ensure you have permission to manage apps and settings. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent setup issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add, configure, and activate Wix AI site chat easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.